So, so do you remember when we watched that video about the formation and how they took the test of gel electrophoresis?
Right, exactly. How they use the charges to go throughout the gel, dragging electrons and a negatively charged DNA, which would therefore determine the numbers that we discussed earlier for the relative comparison, which would in turn compare the fragments.
And it's kind of really crazy how they use such a simple material, such as the gel,
Right,
to
gel,
find out the charges of these different DNA, because the electrons, since the electrons are moved and are caused to move because of their attraction to the positive charges, the DNA moves with them.
Right, and such a complex process can happen from such a common substance like ETBr, the gel is typically used, and it can actually be compared to let's say, more common gels that are used in day-to-day life. Like, it can even be done with, although this probably isn't advised for gel electrophoresis, it can work with hair gel and even Colgate gel, actually, which is kind of surprising considering that most gels are so different, yet they can be so similar at the same time, making the experiment effective regardless.
And even, as you said, regardless of whatever you use, anything would work, such as instead of blood, you could possibly even use blue ink.
Right, exactly, and that typically can even go into things like paper chromatography, which is a very similar process to gel electrophoresis.
Ba-dum-bum.